Hi, second graders. Welcome back to math. This week we're going to be talking about division. Last week we talked about multiplication. Reminder that multiplication is when we're combining equal groups. Division is when we are going to separate or divide that total number into equal groups. So we're going to be looking at a word problem again. It's going to be very similar to multiplication, but this time we're dividing or separating. So we're going to read it 3 times, just like we do in class, and do our 3-read strategy. The first time we're looking at the character and what they're doing, visualizing. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She had 15 pieces of candy to separate into goodie bags. She needed to make 5 goodie bags. How many pieces of candy will go in each goodie bag? So who's our character? Molly again, and she's making those goodie bags for her birthday party. Molly making goodie bags. So I'm visualizing Molly at her house getting ready for her birthday party to make these for her guests. Let's read it again. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She had 15 pieces of candy to separate into goodie bags. She needed to make 5 goodie bags. How many pieces of candy will go in each goodie bag? Remember, this time we're thinking about the numbers. We have 15 pieces of candy, and they are going into 5 goodie bags. All right, reading it again, thinking about the question. Molly was making goodie bags for her birthday party. She had 15 pieces of candy to separate into goodie bags. She needed to make 5 goodie bags. How many pieces of candy will go in each goodie bag? Our question, how many pieces of candy will go in each goodie bag? Did you guys notice that key word in there that we've been talking about in multiplication? In multiplication, it was each. Same thing in division. Right here, we have the word each. This is a very important key word when you're thinking about, is this addition and subtraction, or is it multiplication and division? All right, so we have the total number of candies. That number is not going to get bigger. We know we're going to start with 15. So we're taking our total, 15, and here's that word separate. So I know I'm going to divide. I'm taking the total number of candy and I'm separating it into goodie bags. How many goodie bags? 5. 15 divided by 5. I really want you guys to notice for division that we take the total number and we're dividing it by the group. And then we're going to equal how many are in each. Really want you guys to visualize that, taking the total and dividing it up or separating it. So let's first look at equal groups. We're going to be using the same strategies that we learned last week for multiplication, but we're going to apply it for division this time. So for equal groups, what we are going to do is we're going to draw those 5 goodie bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to put 1 candy in each goodie bag until we get to the total number of 15. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it should be an equal number in each circle. If you are counting and you see that there's not an equal number in each circle, you need to go back and double check. In each one, there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So how many candies are put in each bag? Well, if we're looking at equal groups, it's going to be 3. But we're going to double check using repeated subtraction and array. So for repeating subtraction, we're going to take our total, 15, and we're going to subtract 5 each time to see how many we get to find out how much are in each. So first time, 15 minus 5. Well, 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus nothing is 1. So we have 10. We're going to take that number and go again. 10 minus 5. I know that 10 minus 5 is 5. And we're going to keep going until our final number is 0. 5 minus 5, which equals 0. The number of times that you subtracted is your answer. We subtracted once, we subtracted twice, and we subtracted 3 times. So for repeated subtraction, our number is also 3. Going to arrays. For the arrays, you're going to take 5 as your column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to put 1 in each row until you get to 15. So here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then how many do you see in each row? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Same thing like over here. If you have a same amount in each row, you know your answer is 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And that is how we're going to practice division this week. Again, my favorite one is using the equal groups because it's a visual. You get to see the picture of the 5 goodie bags and 1 piece of candy until you get to that total. But you get to choose whatever is best for you. I want you to think about which one do you feel like you get the right answer every single time. Pick that one and stick to it. All right, guys, I can't wait to talk to you guys next week where we're really going to be looking at both multiplication and division and deciding, how do I know when do I multiply? How do I know when I divide? See you soon.